This is your grab box, which you should have grabbed from the race hut with your radio, and inside the box will be a list of the contents of the boat, and this is line 2. Before starting the engine, you just need to make sure that the fuel vent is open, which is under the seat here. If it's closed, just untwist a couple of turns. This is line 2's isolator switch. To turn it on, you want to do a quarter turn clockwise, and to turn off is just a quarter turn anti-clockwise. To attach your kill switch, it's underneath, and then just clip up. Okay, to start the engine, attach the kill cord, pull the switch up, and then insert the key. Before you switch on, lower your engine into the water. Your whistle there before you start, and then fully turn to switch the engine on. So once your engine's on, you just want to check that you've got your water tail coming from the engine. So before you go, you want to just check that your kill cord works. Once out of the marina, it's really important to check that the boat will go into reverse, and also have a little practice with power, as this boat is a little bit more powerful than our other club boats. So it's really important when we're out on the water to raise our engine when we're going into shallow waters or coming in. Once you're in, obviously switch the engine off. We then need to make sure that the rod at the back is fully encased in its sheath, so we must rotate and turn the wheel anti-clockwise until it's our engine up. When you finish, it's really important obviously to take the key and your kill cord back, put everything back in your grab box, and then please take your rubbish with you. We have recycling at the top